Hi, my name is Ralph Nyberg. This is a quick tutorial on how to use the Google Hangouts on Air to produce YouTube videos. I love it as a tool. What it does, it allows me to shoot a video, and then in the background it'll automatically upload that video to my YouTube channel. So that is the positive, is that it's easy and it's quick to use. On the downside, you know, you're single take. So anytime you make a mistake or fumble a word or anything like that, you either got to live with it or you have to reshoot. But you know, it's easy for me in a day to produce multiple videos. If I have ideas in my head that are going around, I can get those ideas in the video format very, very quickly, and so that's why I really like the tool. Let me kind of show you how it's used. So let me share out my screen here. Alright, so we're looking at my Google Plus page. Now you will notice that there is a, down here in the corner, there's a video of me running. That is really not part of Google Hangouts on Air. That is another utility that I use. So I'll show you how that gets done as well. But let's focus in on the Google Hangouts piece first. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here, you know, to Home, and I'm going to select that, you know, the Hangouts option. Alright, so from Home, I'll go ahead and select Hangouts. And once we're in Hangouts, what we're looking for here is we're looking for the looking for Hangouts on Air. Not doing well today. There, that's what I wanted. Put a nice little arrow there too. So we're looking for the Hangouts on Air option. And on the Hangouts on Air, there's going to be a button there at the top. Hey, we want to start a new Hangout. Okay, so that's what you want to do. Start a Hangout on Air. Alright, we're going to give it a name. Let's see. Got a couple more that I need to shoot here for the instructor resource playlist. Let's do using Quizlet. Love that tool. Now I can type in my detailed description here, or I can do it after the video. Let's say this is a quick tutorial for Quizlet. I'll probably clean that up a little bit more, put some links in there. But now, normally I just start them now because I'm ready to shoot, right? I can say start later, schedule this for a later date. See, it wants to start at 7 p.m. tonight. That's probably not going to work, but let's say 2 p.m. All right. Now, next thing I do is I share. And then once I have it shared, you'll see on my homepage now that I have this link. And since I'm the creator of this Hangout, I can go ahead and get started whenever I want. And I do that by clicking on this, you know, on this start button here. Okay, and that'll take me into the Hangout environment. Now, since I'm already in the Hangout environment, I don't know exactly what would happen if I try to get back into the Hangout environment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just show you a screenshot of what you see in the Hangout environment. All right, so the Hangout environment is going to look like this. A couple important points of note here. Down here on the bottom, you've got this Start Broadcast. That's the button you click when you're ready to go. Now, normally in this middle area where you don't see anything right now, you just see my face. Normally you would see the feed from your video camera, but if you look closely up at the top there, I've got my video camera turned off. Now, you definitely want to make sure that you go into your settings. Okay, so the settings button is really going to, let me come back here. Let's talk a little bit more about that. So the settings button sets your camera, sets your microphone, and so you want to make sure that you have the right audio and video set up. The turning your mic on, obviously, and what you see when you have your mic on is you'll see these green dots going back and forth, and that's an indication that you have audio working. Okay, and then whether you want to start with a screen share or start with your face, once you're ready to go, again, that screen share button, very important. This is where we share out our screen. It's going to prompt you for your first screen, your second screen, or a particular application. And just figure out where you want to start, and then click on the Start Broadcast button, and it will start to count down. Okay, and so that's it. Then you're shooting. and then you just go ahead and click on Stop Broadcast when you're done, and then it will upload. Now, this guy in the corner here, you know, the camera, and I've been using this lately so that I have an image of myself when I'm in the Hangout environment, is actually done by using a Cam Studio application. It's part of the portable apps suite, so it's called Cam Studio, and if you install portable apps, you can download it. Let me get my picture out of the way. So I launch my portable apps here. You'll see here that one of my portable apps is Cam Studio. Cam Studio allows me to put my image. What you do is you come out here to Tools, and you select Video Annotations, and then it'll drop your webcam on the screen. Now, you'll probably notice that the quality of my webcam, maybe it'll come through in the Hangout, maybe it won't, got a lot better when I got into this particular environment. And the reason for that, you know, is because I'm using two webcams. One of the webcams is being controlled by Google Apps, and that's using my old spare webcam, and then my primary webcam is the one that I'm using here with Cam Studio. So, in fact, I'll click back over to the other screen, and now you'll see that this is my backup webcam that we're actually looking at. So I'm actually got two webcams running because I've got two applications using webcams, and I'm doing that for a specific purpose. Alright, so to come back here to my sharing screen again, don't want this Hangout to run too long for us, but once you're in the environment, okay, once you've got your Hangout set up, then, you know, the main button that you're going to use is that screen share button. Make sure you got your microphone on, and you'll see that activity right next to the broadcast button, and then hit Start Broadcast to go, hit Stop Broadcast to stop, and then in the background your videos will automatically upload to YouTube. You wait 5-10 minutes, and there you go, you got your video. Great tool for fast, rapid production. Obviously, you know, it's not HD production quality, but in terms of speed and efficiency, it is a great tool. So hope that helps, and we'll talk to you later.